Here I have DUODUOGO J6 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to enter language and input, then go to the current keyboard, Android keyboard, languages, then you have to disable this feature, use system language, and now you can select languages here. Here you have the whole list of languages in which you can type on this device. Let's select, for example, Georgian, and now let's try to write something down in Georgian language. And as you can see, now I have Georgian layout on my keyboard here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.